Hello students, welcome to thermal engineering class. Last class we discussed about stages of combustion in CA engine and factors which affect ignition delay period in combustion of CA engine. Now I discuss about knocking tendency in diesel or CA engines. Before going to explain knocking tendency in diesel engines, first of all, once again we remind what is knocking. We already discussed in combustion in SA engine, knocking tendency. Knocking is developed due to collision of two high pressure waves. One pressure wave comes from normal combustion, another pressure wave comes from auto ignition from the other side. These two flame fronts will collide at one place. Due to this high pressure waves and collision, high pitched noise will be developed inside the engine cylinder. That noise is called as knocking. I already discussed in SA engines concept. Same thing once again we have to be discussed in CA engines, but there is a difference between SI and CA engines case for knocking. I'll tell you now. Knocking in CA engines can be explained by ignition delay period. I already told you in last class, ignition delay period is the time period between point of injection and point of combustion. The point where fuel is introduced into the engine cylinder and the point where flame has been generated or started. The time period between these two points is called as ignition delay period. I already told you ignition delay is mainly based on two phases. One is physical delay and second one is chemical delay. Physical delay is based on amount of fuel particles introduced and its atomization and vaporization, and finally it will be mixed with air particle and reach self ignition temperature. So this is called physical delay, the time period for these operations. And chemical delay means the chemical reaction. When fuel is reached self ignition temperature, it is going to be reacted with oxygen particles. That is called chemical reaction. Later combustion or flame has been generated in the engine cylinder. This is called chemical delay. So the time period between physical delay and chemical delay is called as total ignition delay period. This is playing a key role in knocking tendency. How, I will tell you with these three diagrams. See, all of you, on the slide I have drawn three diagrams. In case 1, see all of you, in case 1, I took small amount of fuel which is accumulated in the engine cylinder. With the small amount of fuel I have seen flame. So delay period is very small in first case. First line is indicating point of injection, second line indicates point of combustion. The gap between these two is called as delay period. I have drawn there. In between I have seen some amount of fuel called as accumulated fuel. With this fuel finally we got flame. Final line is indicating injection period closing position. So end of injection. In case 2, see all of you, case 2, ignition delay period somewhat increased. Delay period is long. So due to when delay period is increased, accumulated particles, fuel particles in the engine cylinder automatically increase. So more particles you will be seeing in the engine cylinder. That is second case. And third one is that delay period is quite long. Too much amount of accumulated fuel you are having in the engine cylinder, too much amount of fuel. So quite long delay period is too much, so accumulated fuel particles in the engine cylinder are high. How these uh, three cases affect knocking, I will tell you now. See all of you, first one, if delay period is smaller, what happens? If delay period is smaller, the amount of accumulated particles are less. So ignition, once flame is generated, that combustion process or ignition process goes in smooth way, and it going to be heated unburnt fuel particles which is entering from the injector. So going in smooth way, and the maximum pressure and temperature will be attained just beside TDC. So there is no chances of knocking in this case. It will be a, treated as normal combustion. When ignition delay is long, what happens? Second stage, the fuel particles accumulated in the combustion chamber are more when ignition delay is increased. Because of large accumulation, more accumulation of fuel particles, when piston is going to be moved in upward direction, the peak pressure develops almost at TDC, because the stage of uncontrolled combustion, the phase of uncontrolled combustion will be more. Due to this uncontrolled combustion case, the peak pressure will be developed almost at TDC. So more amount of uncontrolled combustion, less stage of um, this controlled combustion. So more pressure you will be having on TDC. Due to this reason, the jamming of forces may be developed in the engine cylinder and operation. So that is drawback. Jamming of forces may be developed, that will affect the engine performance. Engine piston or cylinder may be struck because of these forces. And last one is, and in second case, the chances of knocking tendency is less. Even though forces are developed, knocking mainly will be based on auto ignition. So the knocking chances may be there, but more chances you cannot see in second stage. And last one is that uh, huge amount of accumulated particles because of more delay period, quite long delay period. In this case, because of huge amount of accumulated particles, there is a chance of auto ignition on the other side. When flame is generated from one side, inside I have huge amount of particles, the temperature may be increased because of high amount of fuel. On the other side, there is a chance of auto ignition. One more flame will be developed on the other side. So due to this two flame fronts collision, knocking tendency chances may be there in third case. And a huge amount of gas vibrations may set up uh, due to this collision of pressure waves, audible sound which will be developed inside the engine cylinder called knocking. This is third one. So from these three diagrams, what we understood that when delay period is less, knocking chances are less. When delay period is quite long, knocking chances are going to be increased. You may see knocking in the engine cylinder. So in diesel engines, to avoid knocking, always we should maintain minimum delay period. Remember, we should always maintain minimum delay period for avoiding knocking in diesel engines. By um, using these three cases, if you prepare pressure and crank angle diagrams, the diagrams would be like this. In first case, case 1, normal combustion. In second case, maximum pressure you will be having almost on TDC. In third case, because of two pressure high pressure waves, because of collision of two flame fronts, there is a disturbance before going to reach TDC in the engine cylinder. that is called knocking. I have prepared a disturbance in the curve called as knocking in third case. So this is pressure and crank angle diagram. And what are the factors or characteristics to reduce knocking tendency in diesel engine? If you want to reduce a knocking tendency, just now I told you you should maintain minimum delay period. So the following factors are um, used for maintaining minimum delay period. See, all of you, engine should be having fuel with low self ignition temperature. If I have fuel with low self ignition temperature, easily it reacts with fuel particles at less temperature, and delay period decreases, auto ignition chances from the other side will be decreased. High compression ratio, delay period decreases, which reduces knocking tendency. High inlet pressure, same. High inlet pressure, when air is introduced into the engine cylinder during suction stroke with high temperature, at the end of the compression stroke, the temperature value will be more. When fuel particles hit air particles, easily it reach self ignition temperature, delay period decreases, which automatically reduces knocking tendency. High inlet pressure, this is belonging to air which is entering into the engine cylinder. When high pressure with air with high pressure is introduced, after compression it will be having huge amount of pressure rise, so delay period decreases when fuel particle reacts with air particle. High combustion wall temperature, inside the cylinder if you have huge temperature on cylinder wall, the temperature will be transferred to air in the engine cylinder. When fuel is introduced, delay period decreases. Similar, next one is larger cylinder size. I already told you in last class, directly cylinder size does not affect delay period, but when engine size is larger, mass of air inducted or introduced or entered in the engine cylinder will be more. Because of more amount of air, pressure automatically increases, and which reduces delay period. High speed, when engine is moving with high speed, which automatically um, increases turbulence. A good mixer strength will be increased, which reduces delay period. So these are different characteristics, we may also called as methods for reducing knocking tendency in the engine cylinder. Next class I discuss about types of combustion chambers in CA engines. Thank you.